90% confidence interval and the standard deviation is 50. Okay. So what's the X bar then?
So with this one, you're trying to find the margin of error. So you just do the 1.645, which is the 90%, times 50 over the square root of 25. And I just did it in my head because 50 over 5 is 10. And so I just moved the decimal one to the right and made it 16.45.
Okay. I didn't think that smart. I just plugged it in the calculator and that's what I got. So
Oh, good.
thank you for doing it in your head. Okay, so what number 4? Which of the following statements is true?
This one I was not sure. I went back and looked and I was like, that makes no sense.
Okay, so the X bar is point estimator of U.
I thought it was B, X is a point estimator of U.
I think that's right, actually.
Yeah.
I do.
Okay. It was the only one that made a little bit of sense.
Okay, that sounds good.
Let's go with that.
Okay, so what is the point estimate for the GMAT? So that would be 526.
Yeah.
Okie doke. What is the margin of error for the 95% confidence? Oops. So 0.9. Oh, brother.
Did you get 27.685?
Yes.
I'm almost there. 113. $27.685.
Yep, that's what we got. The lower limits.
So I wasn't sure. So this one, do you subtract it and add it to X bar?
So it looks like it just wants the one number.
So the negative number, right? So X bar minus.
X minus, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So it was.
That's what I did. 498.315.
So are we doing it with the 95% confidence interval?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I got 498.315.
Yeah, that's what I got.
$498.315.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you just go down to plus, so I got 553.685.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm slow at doing this.
Oh, that's okay. I'm just on my phone calculator, so I could easily switch the minus to a plus.
Oh, that's good. And if I don't do it, then it doesn't sink in. So I have to kind of
I have to do every problem. That's exactly why I started doing them before, because otherwise I didn't get it.
Okay, 553.685.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, so what would happen if the confidence interval increased the sample size? It would decrease, right?
Yep.
What would happen if the width, it would decrease too, right? For 10?
I thought it would,
I think this one's increase.
because it went from 95 to 99.
Oh,
If you have like the bell-shaped thing.
Yeah, I think that's right. It's going to increase.
Yeah.
I think it might be like on the prep one, it went from 90, and then you did it for 95. And the answer for what would it do would be that it got smaller.
But you would times it by a larger number too. And you're not as accurate, like the larger it gets.
Okay, that's fine. We can do increase. And we'll see. So then we'll know if it we get wrong. Okay, Bright Bulb Light Bulb Company is planning to do this. They know the standard deviation is 400. They want 95 margin. What sample size do they need?
Oh, let's see. I remember.
Yeah, so this one you do n, because you're solving for n, equals z times sigma divided by m squared.
Okay.
So Z times sigma
Divided by m, and that whole thing squared.
the whole deal squared.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
All right. Do you square just the 400? I mean, 400, not square. What's that called?
I know.
Yeah. Well, square, I don't know. Do you do the 1.96 times the 400 over 50? The
Yeah.
whole thing?
That whole-
Okay. Okay.
I got 245.862.
Yeah, so 246.
Oh, round. That's right. Round to near salt. That's right. Or no, round up.
Yeah, you round up, even if it was 0.1, you'd round up because in order to guarantee they got that, they'd have to go up a person
Okay.
or sample size.
Right. Okay.
Okay. What did you get? 245. So 246?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this next one looks intimidating, but I think they're just giving us a lot of information that we don't need to like confuse us.
Okay.
What is the lower limit of this? Okay, did you guys get 99,000?
119?
Didn't-
I got 99,000.
Hold on, there we go. I missed a number.
I might
I
have
got-
been wrong.
What did you get, Rachel?
Let me make sure I put all my numbers right. I got 95%. Okay. Oh, X bar is 111,000. That's where I'm
Yeah.
wrong. Okay. $99,001 and 0.5.
That's what I got.
Oh, really? What did I do wrong? What did you guys get when you plugged it in?
So
I
I
got
did.
14,880.
You say you got?
Wait, what?
Cause so I did. You have to find like the margin of error, and when I did that, I did 1.96 times 36,370 divided by square root of 36, right?
What
Yeah.
do
Yeah,
you need the margin of error though? Doesn't
Because
it?
you have to find the lower limit. Isn't that what you minus?
I thought the lower limit was just X bar minus
M.
the confidence interval, so 1.96 times the standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
Yeah,
It is.
yeah. That's what I'm asking what you got for that.
So I did. Let me make sure I have the right number.
The margin of error. I might have just plugged it in wrong.
It's 36,730.
Oh, I did 370.
I got it wrong. Did you say 36,370?
Yes, thank you.
It's-
So
But so you did it right. It's just the.
it was $99,001.
Yes.
So 99001.
I guess we have to round up to 2.
So 99002.
Okay.
Okay, so now the upper limit.
Got 122,998. Do we round up?
You got 132,000?
22?
Oh, 22.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
So it's
32, you guys said.
122,998.
Okay, so on this one, do we only round up for
No,
margin
we
of
just
error? Or no, not the margin of error. When do we always round up?
well, I don't.
When you're solving for n, the number, the sample size.
Okay, so that's the only time we're rounding up. So in this case, we would still do 998. Correct?
Yeah, because it was 0.4.
Okay. Okay. Gotcha.
Okay, and then for 14, it's all of the above, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll submit mine.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. Yeah. 100%.
Woohoo!
Yay. That wasn't so bad.
Yeah, it wasn't.
No, it wasn't. It just kind of is a little daunting because the equation is kind of big.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
Okay.
Thanks,
See you guys on
guys.
Wednesday.
Yeah, have a good night, guys. We'll see you Wednesday.
Thank you.
Bye.
See you guys. Bye.